ban pensa jingkan mau ya kejing lenti balai posnem jong district Bhoi ka Bhoi dorbar ha kejing trilang bat office jong deputy commissioner ke district henne kesngi kata ha sautari upana jelle wa hajar RFR kila perlong ya kejing kendu jong ki khun ki hajar bat ke nong yalam rengkat ke tem kaput karwai ka siau dakar komrwai bat kar kom tem ya kejing tem jengput dan rai Nakaliang jong mahe Dr. Didi Lapang yo boleh jukot ik kumukpa jong tem Bhoi ulapa ye khubor lengkhu dapsnem jong district lengba ke video sekipai ba ki balawan ban poi hakane kesngi
Foundation Day of Bhoi district with my dear people of the district. 3 decades have passed since Bhoi attained its full-fledged district on the 4th of June 1992. I stand here today to remind ourselves with joy and jubilation for the realization of the long-cherished dream of the people of Bhoi. We have encountered many hardships, discontentment, and hurdles to achieve it. But with prayers and steadfast support of the fellow citizens of Bhoi, we were able to enjoy the fruit of success. I have much to owe to this achievement of my colleagues, Khynniuh and officers who have worked tirelessly to bring about development in various sectors. There has been a tremendous growth in the field of education through various initiatives and programs of the state as well as the central government. Through this program and initiative, the delivery of education has improved greatly in the district, and we see many students have been moved into responsible citizens and are equipped with the best knowledge to match this competitive world. I would like to take this opportunity to laud the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Sri Preston Song, and Cabinet colleagues who are the part of a policy and decision-making procedure to make all things work, thus making everyone at ease. And it will be improper for me to forget those frontal warriors who have risked their own self for the safety of the citizens of the state, the health department, police department, and many other departments who have contributed and cooperated in the line of duty. I also appreciate the effort of the district administration and all the employees from different departments who have engaged themselves in the fight against the epidemic, especially in an effort to bring back those citizens of the state stranded in other parts of the country. I would also like to take this opportunity to laud the able leadership.
Lala arwan pen kuburom mi kikun samla ki balawan rai ka nam bat kuburom mi ke district kum gadak jong jing pensa jingkan mau ya kene kesing kerpang jong ke district. Larwai kejeng rwai Bhoi anthem la tem mi kisur ten rai hagor kom tem jong ki nong Bhoi lawan ru ban sakhi de ki nong mikmat ki bakuntup yo ba meral bons im ubdeu MLA jong Nongpoh constituency uba balajit rani ubdeu MDC jong Nongpoh constituency uba Charles Marngar ubdeu MDC jong Mauhati constituency Usri Arpit Upadhyaya ubdeu Deputy Commissioner jong Bhoi district Usri Giri Prasan ubdeu Superintendent of Police ke Bhoi district uba MB Tongper ubdeu Additional Deputy Commissioner ke district uba Bipul Thangkyu ubdeu President jong Kaseng Bhalang Bhoi Youth Federation kebadi Kaseng Balami na ke Bhoi Dorbar uba Bibi Makodo ubdeu President jong Senjuk Kirang Baishnong Bhoi district kinong kitkam jong ke Bhoi Dorbar bat ki pajba ki balawan ban sakhi ekne ki jingle burom ki jingda balai posnem jong district Bhoi
Bhoi district kadang san ki MLA san ki MDC balada san MLA san MDC ni Iatylli ka Khynniuh Secretariat kata ke Indonesia dan dari kalau mak dan Khynniuh tamaro ya da more anu tempat Khynniuh Secretariat ni ane dari sini nak sepuluh ni dan lain tidak perlu ni kita bisa melalakkan Bhoi dari segi tahu di bawah. Dengan dia juga yang dipercaya berkeren dengan support yang dan pun di bawah yang bapak meral di pertah hari klau. Dan pun di bawah yang kita kritisai. Hamtam Bhoi ini gimana? Lagi di ski di bawah itu keren lah. Naga bentar Medical College di bawah. Dan di bawah yang perlu informat di bawah. Di buat hasilong di bawah Medical College tu nak di depan dari Bhoi long ni mau minta. Kamu long? Maka Bhoi district ini aspirational district. Bhoi district kali kawin yang sispa Khynniuh tu lagi district apa kali juga lagi tu dah kasar kalau pada ini dia ayo. Dan siapa nasal ajar Bhoi kali dia ayo kalau sanction Khynniuh kusan lagi Medical College haji aspirational district. Kalau tu saya ajar Bhoi kalau percang Bhoi ini saya kasar kerja lembaga planning pentas. Kadang sakut minta. Idol sibuk di dalam buah ban pun kecil. Nomor apa? Kalau ikut lagi kampung mana tolong berperkara di dalam. Dan para ini sangut nidam dari ikut lagi ngasak malu ini ikut lagi di Secretariat tempat Khynniuh dan lagi mengamal ini. Dan lagi sesangut MDC dekat Khynniuh. Hindawan. Tahok. Kakun di parameter di badan hapok aspirational district ini hok banyak ya kan Medical College. Ai tempat dan hasilong kepada kurang kami itu kita mengi dan hok banyak. Belum sebentar.
Mas ngoban kemau burung ya ki long shua ke jungi idang don ki badan im ado kini disni bamenta ki don ki balalek no rahmat ki jungi ki balong ki riu po sniu naga benta kane ka dong ri Bhoi ka bejit ki jungi ka balangi kan mau ki por odang ki por binang kena ru ni dang yugi ka ki Bhoi district atau por but ni smokeman ni da smomuru ya ki nong yalam ki jongi ki badon ya kane ka jing po sniu naga benta ki paiba jo dong ri Bhoi bangi ran kat kandan bat ki Bhoi pa ki baraya sa khmat ki jongi
the smokeman ba mangaru kubayan yang kepor, buat mangi baru ibadah yang kepor ni yang celebrate. Lepas betul, uwe, ubri kurang, kemulah keren sekemat. Berada air biji keren bejong ini, berutang dari imahai kapal dari kepala. Yang mengaruh hari pemagalong, bernanun benong, berdiri bajong ini. Berkali Bhoi district tu. Kumni ko magalong day dan majong ni. Ukna apa sih? Ukun baduk. Lalong chief minister batan ayah ni di district Bokora. Aku kiri kesini balong Islam. Ngamma klan da penpau bejik somo iki berama. Kibadan kebentar ke bakrau banyele banyo di district Bokora.
Ini jagaan jom kesopat. Ini dia Mariam, bak ini dia boleh. Dalam hidup ini begini long, hukum kata, lagi nak tapi dari Bhoi joni, kaspen negara joni, kan sapu, kan sapi, bahkan salong kari kebetul beliau. Dia petang, diperlok, hidup kita kisin, kita pau, haru mana, dibangi dari bandar tingkong. Nag-imlang kasalang, nakasisya kata. But hinle ya kata dari sini. Maki bentar baru tu ni thinking bujumi. But yang next time, bah, lalu way langsung song. Jangan kadang Bhoi. Ukra kan yang sisa, dan pengurang ni kata kadi buat sendiri kan dengan suami bujumi. Lanjut ada tim, ka district Bhoi, kami salong, kawai. Nanti district di waktu rutin ibadah ibadah.
During the pandemic, it has been a very challenging period for the whole humanity, the state of Meghalaya, and more so for the district Bhoi, for being the entry point of the Shillong and East Khas Hills and the rest of the Meghalaya. And the district administration, with active participation and cooperation from the various Darbar Shroms, from the Ranbhai Shrom and the members of community, we have been able to fight the pandemic. And now that we are here today, I would like to express our profound thankful. I am very thankful that we have been able to come up with the pandemic. So for the Bhoi district, I have been here as during my training also for 4-5 months, and I realized that Bhoi is the agricultural bowl of the Meghalaya. And as and when I am spending more time here, I realized that it is not just the agriculture. There are so many important things that Bhoi is excellent.
Also, one good coincidence is that I would like to tell that one of our Bhoi district police personnel has brought laurels to the state of Meghalaya. Yesterday, he has won a silver medal in National Arm Wrestling Championship. So I would like to announce it, and I think it's a mere coincidence, and he will be representing India internationally in the Turkey world level arm level championship. So I am very honored to announce you that. And in fact, it's not the only one, and there are many such talented officers. I would like to also thank Bhoi, his very proactive measures in the field of sports, which has brought laurels to the district. So I also like to thank our previous leaders who has contributed to the development of Bhoi.
Established ya Bhoi Dorma, yaitu dengan lalu Ustam Khynniuh Spark Jurusan. Lalu Ustam Khynniuh Spark Jurusan lah senior dari Bhoi Dorma with tanpa with the aims but the objective dalam Khynniuh no yang full-fledged district kita mengikut mentera dari Bhoi district. Kawasan por the post them, but kali Bhoi Dorma say kawasan celebrate them ya silver jubilee di Islam hampir Henry Khynniuh Syah, Khynniuh dawa kapelong pat hadin agung Islam Khynniuh Syakri jo Bhoi Dorma ngiayo pilihan pat jaga distrik Permai dari Bhoi district. Ngiso tenak, ngiso men bangin sim dengan Bhoi district, but bidon Islam di Bangladesh hari Islam ajar lain. Ina kenal bakalong timur dekat Sorka Bantu Kawano yang kami pintin Bhoi district Syah kata kaki North Hasil district. Handai begini keseng kepada kalian kami Bhoi Dorma. Kalau tahu betul ni yang kami Bhoi Federation dari timur kalau bansim bentalang ikut sama dengan Bhoi district. Banyak jawaban di district Ustam Khynniuh ikutkan. Nilaian persiapan Ustam Harjalai ban Tengkelano yang distrik Bhoi Syah di North Hasil district. But kaya kecinian nanti kecuali kalau ngai kurang percaya kami ke Bhoi Dorma kalau ini cengai pak nidon kami ke involvement, nidon kami ke engagement ikut sama dengan Bhoi district. Ban tentu ya karena kurang ke distrik ini berapa